Welcome back. Let's continue with our preparation of Platform Developer 1 certification exam with some practice question. So let's start with question number 1. Here it is asking about purpose of unit testing in Salesforce. Try to find the answer. Also, if you want the access to these slides, then please let me know in the comment box below. The correct answer of this question number 1 is option B, to validate that the code meets specific requirements. Let's move to the next question. Also, if you want me to create a quiz related to Platform Developer 1 exam, then please let me know in the comment box. I hope you are able to find the answer of this question. Let's see what is the correct option. And it is option B, Developer Console. Let's move to the next question. Here it is asking about debug logs in Salesforce. So if you know the general meaning of debug logs, then you will be able to find the answer of this question. Let's see what is the correct answer. And it is to capture detailed information about the execution of Apex code. Let's move to the next question. Here it is asking about best practice when writing test methods in Salesforce. So if you have created a test class in your coding, then you will know about it. I hope you are able to find it. Let's see what is the correct option. And it is option A, include assertions to verify the correctness of the code. Let's see what is the next question. Here it is asking about how to retrieve metadata from Salesforce org using Salesforce CLI. So if you have connected Salesforce org with Visual Studio Code, then you'll be able to find this. Let's see what is the correct one. It is option A, SFDX force colon source colon pool. Let's move to the next one. Here it is asking about the purpose of change sets. Let's see what is the correct answer of this question. It is option A. It is used to deploy metadata changes between orgs. So if you need to deploy the changes from sandbox to production, then you create change sets. Let's move to the next one. Again, related to test classes in Salesforce, net test. So the correct answer is option C, hard-coded values in the test method. Or you can create a separate data factory for all the data used in your test class. Let's move to the next question. Try to find the answer of this question. And as I always say, if you have hands-on experience with these things, then it will be very easy for you to clear Platform Developer 1 exam or any exam related to Salesforce. Try to do as much as hands-on you can do. Let's move to the answer of this question. It is option B, to pose the execution of a code at a specific point for inspection. Let's move to the question number 9. Now it is asking about at the rate is test annotation in Apex. So if you have used this annotation or if you have created test classes, and I think I revealed the answer. Question number 9's answer is option B. It is used to identify test methods in an Apex class. So I said, like I revealed the answer, so correct answer. Let's move to the next one. What is the benefit of using developer console for debugging Salesforce? I hope you are able to find the answer. Let's see what is the correct answer. The correct answer is option C. It provides a real-time view of system resources. So that's it in this video. I will come back with some more question in the future videos. Also, if you love the concept of this practice question, then please like the video. Comment the topic which you want me to cover in the future videos. So share the videos with someone who is preparing for platform developer certification exam, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much.